Well, here we are. We're in front of the 2021 KZ Durango 286 BHD. It is a bunkhouse fifth wheel that weighs 8,300 pounds and is just over 33 feet in overall length. Great floor plan if you want to sleep 8 to 10 people. It does have 2 queen size bunks in the back, which you'll absolutely love. On the outside, this Durango will feature 2 power awnings with LED lights, outdoor speakers, so you can have some tunes outside while you're enjoying the awesome weather while you're camping. These nice flip-up solid steps, large grab handle, and in the back will be your camp kitchen with a separate refrigerator and a new feature this year, your griddle versus the 2-burner cooktop. And if you push this back, you'll see it does have also a built-in plumbed sink. So this has some great storage in the front, in the back, and a ladder on the side as well to access the front roof. And one cool feature on the Durangos is they give you a towing package. That way you can tow your own trailer behind it or even a boat, because it does have the 4-way pin harness already installed. This does have the heated enclosed underbellies for late camping or early spring camping. A lot of great things on this Durango. Let's head inside, guys. So this features a spacious living room with your kitchen to the right, living room to the left, and bunks in the back. And again, those are the queen size bunks back there. But first, let's take a look at the kitchen area. On most bunk floor plans, you don't get this much storage. You get a ton of cabinetry, a ton of drawers, and even more countertop space for all those prepping that you want to do while you're out enjoying the sights with a family. Has all your full appliances, your microwave, your Furrion vent fan and light, along with your Furrion cooktop, which is a 3-burner cooktop with a flip-up backsplash and a good size oven. For those colder days, you want to bake those cookies, muffins, you can do so. And then you have your gas electric refrigerator here by Norcold. Good size space in there for your ice cream, eggs, milks, juices, things like that. And again, storage up above all throughout here. Moving to the super slide, you have your U-shaped dinette. Sit the family around here pretty comfortably with storage underneath and a tabletop that does drop down to make that bed for you. Now we feature in here your tri-fold sofa, so this will flip out the long way to accommodate 2 adults very comfortably if you have extra guests overnight. Now moving back to the bunk area, you have these, again, oversized queen size mattresses over here. Again, 2 adults will be very comfortable sleeping back here for the night. You have lights above, windows on both bunks, outlets on both bunks. You have storage back here as well. Open that up, you have a couple shelves in here and a hanging bar down below. And if you want privacy, you do have your accordion door here, which you just snap it off, run it across, and now your guests have their own privacy. As we flip it around, you'll see your entertainment centers are going to be right here in the front of the coach with your 40-inch TV on a swing arm, better viewing from the sofa. Stamps right there in place. Beautiful cabinet doors here with glass frosted inserts. Down below, you can see you have your wide lens fireplace here, which kicks out 5,000 BTU worth of heat. Built-in speakers and your DVD player, Bluetooth, radio, has everything you need for your entertainment needs. Let's head upstairs to the master bathroom and bedroom. So let's start real quick in the bathroom here. You have your porcelain foot flush toilet. You have a nice size shower there with marble-like shower surround with skylight above if you're a little taller. You have a nice linen closet there for all your extra towels and sheets. Messy cabinet with mirror. A lot of countertop space around your sink there and several drawers for all your items. Overall, nice looking bathroom there for you to get ready in the morning. But in the bedroom up here, you have a queen size bed up here as well. Plenty of walk around space to get around the bed to get it made in the morning. Lots of cabinetry, wardrobes, and features your wardrobe slide out here. So all of this is going to be hanging storage for you. So you can't say you don't have enough space to hang your clothes in this Durango, because you do. And then of course, on the head of the bed, you have an extra shelf there. A couple of reading lights are going to be right in the center here, and then plugs and USB ports. And then bonus feature, we do fit in 3 more deep drawers in here as well. So socks, underwear, jeans, shirts. You got enough room for all those items, whether you're gonna be camping for a weekend or a week. Well, there we have it. A brief tour of the 286 BHD Durango fifth wheel by KZRV. And again, I'm Joel at Veurink RV Center. Any questions, comments, please let me know. 616-965-9623. So remember, key takeaway features on this fifth wheel: 2 awnings outside, exterior kitchen, 3 queen size beds in this camper, a dining table, and a couch that does drop down to be a bed as well. A lot of good storage and a great quality with a 2-year warranty by KZ. Now here, us at Veurink, we do take trades, we finance, and we will ship nationwide. So call me today at 616-965-9623. Take care.